Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. To get started, open your app Discord and you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now tap on the button below. Now select the option Account. Now scroll down until you see Enable two-factor authentication. Click on it. And enter your password and click on OK option. Here you can download authentication app and set the setting to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.